Shalom, folks. Rabbi Jacques here, still at home, staying at home. And apparently we will be having a staying at home Seder as well this year. Very unusual circumstances. And I figure out we're about 10 days away. So it's time to begin thinking about what you're going to need. So if you decide to hold a Seder at home, I guess it'd be nice to have a Haggadah. Although this Haggadah I have scanned and it's available, and I'll make available to anybody who wants it, member or not of Temple Israel. And that's the basis. We'll be webcasting services as well using the platform called Zoom. Then there are certain things you need to have at home. There are the ritual items that would help you to have the Seder. And I am willing to deliver them for you, for at least members of Temple Israel and people here in Kansas City that may need it. But let me go over them with you. And I'll tell you about this delivery plan in a minute. First, you need, there's things that you should have, okay? Like a cup for wine. You should have candles. There are other things like salt water. I'm sure you can cook hot salt water. If not, I'm sure there's a video on YouTube teaching you how to make salt water. A cooked egg, that will be an easy one for you to get as well. Anyway, then, did I mention candles? Yes. Then you will need wine, you need matzah, you will need karpas, it's a green vegetable, sometimes we use parsley. You will need some other kind of vegetable like radish. You need maror, bitter herbs. And what else will you need? Oh, you need charoset, that's the best. I'm actually willing to teach a class about charoset, the only true Jewish food. Oh, and you need probably, if I can get, a bone to sit on your kiara, which is your Passover plate. Now, perhaps some people are alone or just don't have the willingness or the strength to go chasing after all those items. So this year, I have decided that besides making the Haggadah available to you, and besides webcasting the service, any member of Temple Israel who contact me, and I'll put my number here in the notes in this video. Also, any Jew in Kansas City that needs it, I'm organizing people, and we're gonna have it ready. Wine, if you let me know what you need, but I have wine, matzah, parsley, horseradish, radishes, charoset, and I'll deliver it to your house, all evidently done in a safe way to prevent contamination, and we'll drop it in front of your house and walk out. So we minimize contact and maintain social distance. Again, these are certainly not the ideal circumstances, not what we had in mind, not what we wanted, but it is what it is, and we're trying to make the best of it and to continue to serve our congregation and our community. So, thank you. Just again, if you, the only thing I ask you is to please be in touch with me by the 1st of April. So that way we have a week to try to arrange this all. Okay, bye-bye.